Hey there, this is John Verdeau filling in for Holly on this property tour that I wanted to take you guys on. Pretty cool place. If you don't know, I'm in downtown Knoxville. As you can see, there's the Sun Sphere, heading down to the Tennessee River down here. So what makes this property cool is it's a downtown condo. Well, right over in the South Knoxville Riverfront area. There's downtown, as you can see, and it is a condo that we have on the market in the Cityview building, and it has a lot of great features. And I'm starting off with the best part of this, and that is being right on the river. As you can see a little bit, the community is right here, okay? And the water's right here. And look at that, Neyland Stadium right there. Now you see these boats as well, that's also included. The unit that we're selling actually has a 40-foot boat slip included with the sale that is out there, right there. Look, walk right over and you're home. Pretty cool, especially if you are going to Vols games. You don't even have to leave your marina to go participate in the action of the game. So, very, very cool. Right on the river. There's a nice walking trail here too. You can hang out right up there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some picnic tables. You can sit out, have lunch, dinner, right over the water. Beautiful. Okay, so I mentioned this is the Cityview building. It's on West Blunt Avenue, South Knoxville waterfront. You can literally walk downtown from here. Super close. This is the building, side of the building. We're walking up towards the entrance. You notice some parking. You have some common parking on the side here for guests. Residents have parking garage on the other side of the building that they can use. Very nice, secure. That's good. Well maintained, as you can see. Some good curb appeal in the building. Balconies. A lot of good features. All right, so as we come around the corner of the building here, heading towards the entrance, you can tell they're doing some road work here, updating the road. That's good. But you can see there is your secure parking garage. Okay, so we're gonna go inside the building, check out the amenities as well as the unit itself. Okay, so here we are at unit 428 in the Cityview building. This is the unit that is for sale. Here we are inside the main living area. As you can see, it's nice and bright. Your kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, pantry. You got a closet right here for coats and whatnot. Got the good hardwood floors here, hand scraped hardwood flooring. There's your living area. Nice neutral paint colors as well. Here's your guest bathroom. Very nice. And then your guest bedroom or second bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom unit. 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. So if you were to have a roommate, it would be very convenient. Got a split bedroom floor plan. Here is the master. There's your closet. It is walk-in. It's pretty good space. See, plenty of room. You could probably add some custom organizers in here if you wanted to even make it a little bit more effective and efficient for the space. But here's the master bedroom. Here's the Very high ceilings. Your master bathroom, also granite. Jack and Jill sinks. Walk-in shower. You got a tub right here. Pretty good sized tub, nice and wide too. Plenty of space. Very efficient floor plan. So like I said, 2 full bathrooms, 2 bedrooms. This is definitely a move-in ready unit. Beautiful flooring. Everything is ready to go. Drop your stuff and move on. Oh, forgot about something that is also a nice little feature, and you do have a little balcony outdoor space. Just right here as well. So you could put a little patio set there. Great place to have a glass of wine at the end of the day. Unwind, especially when the weather is good. So you've got that. Okay guys, to recap what's going on here, it's unit 428 in the Cityview building on West Blunt Avenue. It is on the South Knoxville Riverfront, just over the bridge from downtown. You can actually walk to downtown from here. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, about 1,100 square feet, move-in ready, drop your stuff, keep going. Lots of great amenities, immense potential in this area too. High growth area, new businesses, restaurants, bars, new complexes are popping up everywhere around here. So loads of potential. So if you have any more questions about this place, current pricing, want to see the property, we'll be happy to show it to you. Just reach out to us and we'll get all that set up, answer any questions you have. Thanks so much everyone, have a great day.